Hey everybody, Kelly here, and I'm going to bring something of extreme value to you today if you're a real estate agent. Um, this is a program I've been looking at for many months now, and it was created probably after a year of talking with this gentleman. It was created for you, the agent, with regard to your branding, your content, what it is you can offer that makes you so much more different than any other agent out there, right? So I met Bob Mills, who's with EXP Realty, about a year ago. And this product here is a genesis of thoughts that we've had in conversation, plus his own marketing style. And it's very unique. So hang with me. And I want to share with you and it's so inexpensive, but what you get it's mind blowing. And they're actually testing this up in Canada and they're getting massive results. So what it is, Bob calls it the Automated Guaranteed Leads Program. Okay. Hundreds of agents are using it since he's launched this, and it's cutting edge automation. So watch this. Here's just a sample of some of the things you're going to get in this platform. He's got a Evergreen follow-up drip campaign that never ends. So your Evergreen email, these are fresh emails. His content will make your emails look different every month, and it'll be literally perpetual content every month to your different lead sources. You're going to get monthly, let me go wide with this so you can see it. Monthly magazines that will, and these are branded to you guys, that will generate leads. Monthly magazine customized with your image and contact details, including live links in your e-magazines for your website and your email. Every month, 64 new social media posts, 4 platforms with 4 different posts for a total of 16 new email type and social media type content graphic-wise. You're going to get 3 custom seller magazines, 2 custom buyer, and these are actual e-magazines done at a high level, and you'll get these branded to you. Free video training on how to set it all up in KVcore to send monthly magazines to all your leads. Okay, leads will notify you when they're ready. So here's an example of some of the magazines, the Ultimate Home Selling System, and it literally walks your potential home seller through your unique selling propositions, and it's all branded to you. How to Get Your Home Sold in 14 Days or Fire Me. This is a powerful book. The Matthew Toussaint, who's one of the users, this is an example of what his book looks like, right? 64 copy and paste images every month. It's sized exactly to meet specs for both Facebook, Insta, Pinterest, and LinkedIn. Here's an example of these graphics. And they're going to be branded to you, and you'll get new ones every month. Want more? How about time? How about money? How about seller leads, buyer leads? How about to stay in touch with past and present clients, right? Your time is valuable, your money's valuable, and how would you like to automate the process? Oh, it gets even better, right? So here's the great Bob Mills himself, and I'll send you a link where you can watch this. Matter of fact, somewhere on this video, it's either below it, or if this is on Workplace, I'll leave you a link. You can look at this website. It's killer. Okay, first steps. If you decide you want to go ahead and get Bob's system, if you have KVcore, and if you don't, you can still automate this in your CRM. So if you're not with EXP, or if you don't have KVcore, this will still work in most CRMs that agents are using. But if you have KVcore, Bob's team will log in and set up all the automation with proper templates to auto send your monthly magazines to your database. No copying, no pasting, nothing to remember. You'll be able to use all of the marketing magazines in other ways as well. These magazines can be used in whatever marketing strategies you have. Right? If you don't use KVcore, this guaranteed lead program also works with tons of other systems, from Follow Up Boss all the way down to Zendesk, Zelle, Zoho, Top Producer. It's there, guys. This will work, right? Second step, the custom branded to you presentations are created for you. Each book is a live link that you can text, email, text, email, post, print, or share. So these are links you can literally share, and it brings massive value. So seller leads consists of 3 parts. You'll get access to video training, including a presentation that has generated one user over $1 million. And Bob just told me about this in the last couple months. They had somebody use this book to get $1 million, right? If the books are going to be Your Home Sold in 14 Days. And guys, this isn't a 14-day home. This is, if I can't get you sold in 14 days, you're welcome to fire me and walk away. The Ultimate Home Selling System Guide to Preparing Your Home, 30 pages long. The seller program, it's 39 pages and outlines what your marketing is and what you can offer. And guys, this looks so good on a presentation, right? Now here's a gentleman, Lyle, and you can watch his video on the link. He's been doing this for 30 years. He was on this real estate hamster wheel, buying all these different things, blah, 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 blah. And when he got Bob's program, it literally changed his business because it gave him branded content that wasn't just content. It spoke to the heart of the client, right? Buyer leads. So for the buyer section, it consists of 2 parts. Your personal guide to buying real estate, 52-page ebook, guys, branded to you. The buyer's incentive program, it's 29 pages and outlines your processes to find their dream property as well as what you can offer them. All right, guys, go ahead and order it. It's a 52-page buyer guide, everything, guys, everything in here. And I think, let me check. I'm going to go ahead and click the order, guys, so you can see what this is like. When you click the order, look at this. US, if you're in Canada, there's yours. If you're in the United States, there's a setup fee of $49. Bob has to pay his people to put all your graphics and all of your crap in these books. So there's a $49 setup. It is $49 a month to month. So for $49 a month, you get hundreds of graphics, bunch of graphics every month. You get access to all your books, and they're going to warehouse them, training on how to use it, get it set up in your KVcore for automation. If you want to go ahead and save a percentage, sometimes it's better to do it by the year. There's a $349 multi-pot, and you get a free setup. So you pay one time $349. You don't pay $49 a month. You don't have another bill for a year, and they waive the setup fee. So guys, it'll be up to you as to what you want to do. But let me tell you this. Linda. This thing is outrageous. All of these ebooks branded to you that have clickable links in them, training on how to set up your KVcore or your CRM. All of the graphics you're getting each month. So if you're wondering what to post on your social media channels, they got it covered for you. And just a ton of training. I've got mine. I'm loving it. It's ninja approved. So get in there and take a look at this thing. Look at the link I give you. Take a look at the website. And then if you want it, go ahead and order it and get yourself set up to be a branded ninja warrior real estate agent in your local area. Start sharing this on social media. Get it sent out on your emails. Text these links to your clients and watch what happens to your business. Guys, I love this program, and it's very inexpensive. $49 a month or $349, you're done. All right, drop me some comments. Tell me what you think, and get in on Bob Mills' program. You're going to love this thing. It's crazy, 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 crazy. The price that he's charging, he's out of his mind. Anyway, thank you. Don't forget, hit subscribe and the bell if you haven't, and stay tuned for my next video.